Hey everybody, it's a beautiful spring afternoon and Lester and I are out on a walk and we're just cruising around. And I just want to let you know that we are getting ready for the April Zoom Bluegrass Fiddle workshops, and we're going to be covering everything in the key of G. We're going to do a whole song, like a whole everything you need to do. So a kickoff, a break, some fills, all that stuff, and then just some general stuff you need to know about the key of G, which is an incredibly popular key when you're dealing with jamming, and especially guitar players and banjo players love to play in G, and so we fiddle players need to get a little bit better at it. So I'm going to teach you licks and double stops and all that fun stuff, and they're on Zoom, so you don't need to attend live. You can get the recordings or whatever, or join me. It's 2 Saturdays in April, the 6th and the 20th, and you can just go to FiddleStar.com and click on the Bluegrass Skill Builder workshops under Learn to Play the Fiddle and sign up and come hang out with us. It's just $60 for the 2 workshops. Each workshop is an hour, plus I'm giving out sheet music, tab, extra videos, all that kind of stuff, everything you need to know. It's going to be key of G all April, so join me.